Section 9.4, we're going to talk about lines. So, we're going to talk about specifically parallel lines and perpendicular lines, which we have discussed before. So, this is going to be a brief review. So, parallel lines, by definition, it says if two non vertical lines are in the same plane and have the same slope, which was m, they're said to be parallel. So we need to always get our equations in the form y equals mx plus b. And so we're looking for two lines that have the same slope value. Now, what we haven't discussed a lot is perpendicular. So perpendicular says if two non-vertical lines in the same plane intersect at right angles, so remember that's 90 degrees, then they are said to be perpendicular. So horizontal and vertical lines are perpendicular. But there are also lines that are diagonal that can be perpendicular. So look at the red and the blue lines. So I'm going to tell you that these two lines are perpendicular. They do form exactly 90-degree angles. Now, what we learn about perpendicular lines is that their slopes are opposite signs and reciprocals. So on the red, we can find the slope. If I just look at these 2 points, I can pick any 2 points and count rise over run. So I'm going to go, the rise is 1, 2, and over 1, 2. So I just found the slope between those 2 points. So I went down 2 and to the right 2. So the slope of the red line is -1. And it does slant down from left to right. Now on the blue line, I'm just going to pick this point and this point. And so I'm going to go up 2 and to the right 2. So the slope of the blue line is +1. And these are opposite signs. One's positive, one's negative, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So remember, a reciprocal, if you have 5, the reciprocal would be 1 over 5. If you have the slope 2/3, the reciprocal would be 3 over 2. So that's a reciprocal. So perpendicular means it's the opposite sign, positive and negative, and a reciprocal.